All right, guys, welcome back. Jamie, Shine, guys, we're in effect. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make bad touch-up, meaning some touch-up that was done from someone other than us. We're gonna make this look good. So what I'm gonna do is, this is a scratch. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm just gonna get some sandpaper, 2000 grit, 3M sanding block, foam sanding block, soap and water, a slight mist. I'm just gonna cross hatch, sanding on there. A little bit more water, decent pressure. You know, you don't want to push it so the panel flexes. I'll lightly hit it real quick. See if it's done. A little bit more. So it's a pretty deep scratch, and it's not, you know, most likely that scratch isn't gonna buff out. But sometimes putting touch-up paint on a scratch like this, all it's gonna do is intensify it, just make it stand out a lot more. Okay, sweet. So I just took off all that sand, all the paper. You see, the scratch is still there. Now I'm gonna 3000 it. Same thing. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Meguiar's Fine Performance DA Fine. Clean your pad. Get it nice and clean. The fibers to stand up. I'm also using a SM Arnold microfiber. On the video before this, I had a couple people ask, hey, what pad you using? Also Rupes Mark III. Let's go to town. Went ahead and polished out all my sanding marks. All right, go ahead. We just finished it. Don't mind the haze. We're not doing that. We're not doing that video. So the whole purpose of this video is meaning you should not. Sometimes touching up paint is not the best option. If it's gonna make it stand out worse, you know, don't do it. Polish it down, sand it down. You know, add some clear coat or some more color and polish it down. So whoever touched this up, you know, it wasn't bad touch up, but it just wasn't the best. So anyways, guys, I'm Jamie, Shine Guys. We're here in Salt Lake City. If you want to know some detailed tricks, learn how to be more profitable, makes this paper. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, follow. Bam, we're here.